It was quite different and very interesting. Their working hours are very different from what we know in Denmark. Usually it's from 9 in the morning until 9 or 10 in the evening. Have planned meetings at 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening with their supervisors. So in that way it was very different. But also they have different routines than we have in Denmark when working in the lab. For example, we use many gloves in Denmark. We usually change gloves if we leave one room, go into another room, or if we have touched some chemicals, we change our gloves. However, in the lab I worked in Beijing, they could use one pair of gloves for a couple of days at least, which made me a little uncomfortable because I used to just changing them when something is spilled onto them. And therefore I got my wife to bring me some gloves when she visited me during the Easter vacation. So in that way I was able to put on new gloves when doing different experiments in the lab. I did mention earlier that we didn't reuse the gloves in Denmark, but they were of course used to using the gloves for a couple of days. But when I arrived, or when I got my new gloves, they then asked where I got these, and I told them that my wife brought them from Denmark and that I was a little sensitive towards this latex, the rubber that was in the gloves from China, and we don't use latex gloves here because some people can be a little allergic towards this rubber. They didn't mention it, so I just used my own gloves and they kept on using their own gloves. So it was never a problem.